What's up, everyone? We are finishing the install, hopefully by tonight. Everything is mocked up: the tank, the pump, the wirings. The line is almost being ready to be installed. I'm gonna go through there and follow my upgraded fuel line. We're installing the gauge right here, and we are going in on the other side of my throttle body spacer. There's an insert for a 1/8 sized thingy-mabobber. I don't know what it's called. This thing for the nozzle to spray. And yep, here's the dog. And yep, that is where we are currently at. And I will try to film most of it. All of our wiring is pretty much complete, except for the boost sensor, which I just finished. This will have to run to the sensor in my intercooler. Everything is nicely zip tied away, so quality. And that's where it sits. This is what it looks like when you turn it on. It's currently off, and these are your controls, so you can set it. I have it off because I don't want it spraying anything. Change the text color, graph color, then injection on or off, and then what you see. Then turns off with ignition. And now, the fun part. We have to lift the car. Yes, Hyundai noises. If you know, you know. So we're going to have to flip our throttle body spacer to access the insert. And then I'm gonna be somewhere back there is where our boost sensor wire is gonna come out, and the whole front bumper is gonna have to come off. So that'll be fun. Pretty easy to take off a Veloster bumper. Dang. Keeping off our taxman line. Surely it didn't just go through the same hole 3 times in a row. If so, I should buy a lottery ticket. Oh, it didn't. Let's go where I actually wanted it this time. Wow, that was really easy. Now we have access to the intercooler mounts. And you just undo the 2 tabs. And I think the intercooler can just slide out. Since we're gonna have to flip the throttle body spacer, I might as well just take all this piping off now. Alright, now we just have to disconnect the lower hose. I don't have an angle, so we'll just have to guess what it looks like. One more hose. The intercooler should slide out. Or not, because I forgot how I took it out the last time without taking off the bash bar. Oh wait. There we go. Here's the stock intercooler. It's pretty small. It's just reference size. Alright, after tap and dyeing the sensor in, it is installed, and we have to wait 1 day for this to fully cure, but is pretty much ready to go. I did have a vacuum and it was on while I was drilling, so there's no metal shavings in here, hopefully, because that would be really bad. And I guess the last thing that we can do is flip the throttle plate, or the throttle body spacer. just like that. It's a little dirty. That's fine. The O-ring faces towards the throttle body, not the intake manifold, because the intake manifold already has a rubber gasket and this side doesn't, so it just seals. So now we have to flip it this way and install it like this, so our nozzle goes in there. We finally got the plug out. That was really annoying to get out. It was all corroded on the inside. We have the throttle body spacer drying with the nozzle and check valve attached. And the intercooler's still drying. So yep, tomorrow will be the final install of all the lines and goodies.